every one of our customers, distributors walk into factories, walk into different places that all these products are used every day, and they don't think about them because it's not something they're normally used to doing.
A customer looking at the site is going to have that aha moment of, oh, that could be used here in this application I've got. The TUIC product line has been out there since the early 1900s. TUIC was an acronym for the original company, the United Electric Company. We started out making industrial vacuum systems, basically the first central vacuum for someone's home. We morphed into making our own hose and then making all the attachments and the accessories, and kind of got out of the vacuum market. So we stopped selling the finished product and started selling all of the accessories that went along with it. The product line is a complement to what Flexaust already did, and it seemed like a really good fit, and so far has been.
Well, we just launched our new website, flexaustfloorcare.com. It's got a lot of really interesting, cool features. It's fresh, it's new.
We have a great search function. You can search by application, you can search by part number. Just really intuitive, easy to use, and it looks like a brand new website. It almost has a new car smell.
Very user-friendly.
Yeah, it'll open up the eyes to our entire customer base of all the different capabilities and markets that we're in that they may not even know about, and they can stay on the site and with the videos and everything and learn exactly where these products go, so to help them grow their business along with ours.
We really do try to focus on commercial products and industrial products. So scrubbers, sweepers, commercial vacuum systems, and then central systems in manufacturing plants and that sort of thing.
Now I noticed you got a handful of tools here. Some are plastic, some are chrome, some are galvanized. Is there a difference? I see we got a purple floor tool here.
So the plastic ones, the majority are made from ABS, extremely durable plastic. We offer floor tools like this that are aluminum. We offer bristles that are dissipative or conductive. It just depends on the application, where you're going with the products as to what you use.
We're hearing a lot about safety concerns in the field. If we go to flexaustfloorcare.com, it has a large variety of different tools, accessories we can use to help maintain the cleanliness of a facility,
Definitely.
keep the dust off the overhead pipes, the floor clean, the machinery. So obviously, again, safety being a main concern, that being the initial response to keeping your employees safe. Okay.
Exactly. A number of these products you can find here and there, but finding them all in one place is difficult to do.
So one-stop shop is a...
Indeed.
Yeah, true.
I think it's going to do a lot of good for us and support of what we do every day.